this video, I'll show you how to add the tilt-shift lens effect in CupCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. To start, drag and drop it into the timeline. Next, go to the Effects tab. Tap on Video Effects and use the search bar to find the tilt-shift lens effect. Select the effect, click Download for the first time, then click the Add button to add it to the timeline. Drag the effect layer to cover the desired part of the video. Once applied, fine-tune the effect using the adjustment sliders. The blur slider controls the intensity of the blur. Use color to adjust color enhancement. Experiment with filters to apply different styles. The range slider expands or shrinks the blur area. Use rotate to angle the blur effect. The vertical slider adjusts the blur position for precise placement. And that's it. You've successfully applied the tilt-shift effect in CupCut Pro. Thanks for watching.